It is time for excited ping pong. Yeah. Woo, let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. We are back with a new plug and play device from Magix Buttons. It's going to be one epic exciting show because we're having excited ping pong. Yeah, we have another weird... Oh man, to be honest, if you're new to the channel, I really love these weird, obscure plug and play devices. Consider subscribing if you really love these things. Nevertheless, let's take a close look at it. Let's do an unboxing and let's play some games. But first, let's take a close look at the back, and as you can see, there's some basic explanation about the game. This is more like in plug and play Wii because we're having this receiver console, everything in one with two pedals, and yeah, a lot of Asian language that I can't read. But nevertheless, you can see it has basically some game options, and there's only one game, and it's going to be Pong or ping pong. But it's from the brand Epoch, and this is version number 2, and it seems to be there is a full lineup of these different plug and play devices. How funny is this? Okay, let's see what we have inside. It comes with quite some different things. I'm guessing there's a registration card. Let's see what we're having here. It comes even with a poster or something. And here you can see it. That we're having quite some different versions. As you can see, we're having even with boxing gloves. A lot of different versions out there, and it seems to be having with a light gun. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's take a close look at this, like a little folder for all the other games, including the prices. Here we have the manual itself. Looks pretty nice, to be honest. Everything, of course, in Asian language, none of in English. And I'm guessing these things were specially made for the Asian market. Basic explanation, very nice manuals. Here we have some more information. Alright, so let's take a close look at the product itself. So what we're going to get are the two pedals, and as you can see with all the... Ooh, these things are pretty heavy, by the way. So what you can see on the picture, there are quite some different versions out there. Here we have the on and off switch. Okay, the system itself, I already did a review of let's say excited tennis. And I'm noticing that they are always using the same little, let's say, shell. There are some minor differences. Maybe the on and off switch is different, but it also has the reset. And this is for going into the menu and going back. We're having, let's say, D-pad, or just 4 buttons for going to the menu. I hope you can see it on the camera, but here you can see that we're having 2 PCB inside. One is the main board that contains the game, and here we have the little version, little PCB for the AV out. We have an option to use an external power supply, but I'm going to use 4 AA batteries. It's really old school plug and play with an old school analog signal. Alright, so let's plug and play it, and let's play some ping pong. Yeah! Alright, I'm ready for it. I hope you are, because we're going to play some ping pong. Yeah! You have a technology. Don't know what it says over there, but be careful. Don't slap your buddy in the face. Epoch. Alright. We're having a little button over here where you can go into the menu. Different options. We're going to just pick the first one. Play against the computer. Yep. What the hell is that? What the? What the hell? Okay, I'm just going to choose the robot alien, what it is. I'm going to play against that guy. Alright. So the graphics itself looks, let's say, Super NES looks a little bit better. It's more like 32-bit. Alright. Launch the ball. The sound effects are pretty cool. It even shows the speed. Alright. Oh yeah, smashing it people, smashing it. Oh crap. or it's not that accurate, or you need to be exactly the time. What? Stop responding. What? Why does it respond? Need to wave it. Super Smash! Going well, people. Going well. I can tell you, this is really exciting. Come on. The net. Yeah, I messed up. What the hell? Come on. Match point. Alright. Woo! Can I? What the? Cheater! Another round. Come on. Oh, now it's in. Yeah, right. Gonna mess you up, man. Gonna mess you up. Come on. Smash, super smash, 201 kilometers. Oh, come on. How will you say the net? But I must say, it's quite responsive. And see, I'm holding the pedal like this. How can I freaking hit the net? Come on. The funny thing is that it isn't responsive because I was moving like this and the ball go to the left, so that this doesn't make any sense. Match point. Oh, we are reaching the point already, and of course the. What? What was that? He's a freaking cheater. I'm done with this stupid shit. Exciting Pong, my ass. Ooh, look, his head is loose. Fatality. So the idea behind it is pretty funny. It's more like a plug and play Wii. And how does it work? I don't know, man. Sometimes I'm getting the idea that it is pretty responsive, but sometimes it works like shit. So the pedals, the idea, let's say the pedals feel very nice, pretty decent, but this is what you're going to get with this plug and play device from Epoch, something like that. Nevertheless, I hope you really enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, become one of the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next video.